Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to get Holochain hot, and yesterday I believe I've been doing videos about Holochain, also hot dent and in an XRP in the last couple of days. And what I've been saying about Holochain and these cryptocurrencies that has been popping, look at how the candles are, like huge the candles are. Oh, and if you didn't know, potential energy is set up here, new buyers come in here, which means that people just buy it, and there's a lot of FOMO, there's a lot of wanting to get rich, and markets doesn't work that way. And by the way, so this is the potential energy here that is set up, which means that the kinetic energy, so energy never disappears, it always just transfers into another version. Okay, just energy never dies. Okay, and it just translates. So when we have this kind of potential energy, it's a huge spike. It means that the potential downside is also bigger. Okay, people, please remember that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. But what I have learned is everything comes down at some point. Okay, nothing goes up forever. Mountains go up, but they will come down as the erosion eats them away and stuff. So everything comes down. Even how majestic and how big it is, it's definitely it definitely comes down. Okay, so that being said, I do believe that Holochain, I've been saying this in many videos. I've been in cryptocurrency late 2016, and I remember Holochain when it first came out, and Holochain moves a lot with XRP. Back then it moved a lot with XRP because XRP community bought Holochain because Holochain was in Bitrue, and Bitrue is an XRP exchange, and also the Holo token was said by the riddles, like the bear riddles, I don't like the XRP riddles stuff back in 2018 and 19 and that kind of stuff. So yeah, definitely that's something that you want to keep in mind, that it moves with XRP. I do believe that, because if you look, for example, like right now, XRP is on the move, and Holochain even like pumped even further. Holochain started pumping like here back in March. Now it's like in a crazy run. Same with also with Win, BTT Dent, and XRP. They all have pumped a lot. So I do believe that there has to be some kind of pullback at some point, and I'm waiting for, as these cryptocurrencies now, like you remember, like a month ago, a couple of months ago, like a month ago or so, over a month ago, there was this, everything was just going up. Remember, there was like the Elon Musk Bitcoin. Uh, Elon Musk bought Bitcoin, or not Elon Musk, but Tesla bought Bitcoin, and that's kind of stuff. It pumped in cryptocurrencies insanely, like just insane candles. And after that, like after that, like a month ago or something like that, everything plummeted like a lot, like 20% or something like that. I think that as now the altcoin run, alt seasons just gets crazier and crazier, at some point we will have a huge sell off, which I do believe it's going to be like minus 20% or something like that. But obvious that there's a potential that it won't happen yet, as things are just starting to like take off. But markets usually work and go like total opposite what people think, and if people think that it's going to go up all the time, so I think that there's a possibility that it can drop. I just want to say that because I had the similar feeling back in a month ago. I said in many videos and in my newsletter that we are going to go down. I sold all the positions, and I think we are going to go down. And after like a week after that, everything went down like twice. There was like twice these 20% dips, and I bought both of those dips, so I made a good money there. So I had the same kind of feeling. It's starting to crawl inside me, and yeah, it could be that it doesn't manifest yet, but I think that in the maybe after like end of April, mid-April, that could happen, or somewhere in April, it's some kind of sell-off. But I don't mean that bull run is over. I just mean that there's this just like, because everything goes up, it has to like people start who bought, for example, here, take profits here, and then it will dip, and then we continue the bull run. I just think that there's that kind of is possibility. So that's why I'm kind of like stacking USD and fiat to just then buy here. So then I have a huge margin of safety here. Okay, and I'm just thinking that currently. But Holo price has because good look, Holo price has already pumped a lot, like a lot. I think that it has pumped a lot. Look at here how much it has pumped, but it's showing it's very strong. It's now 29th market cap rank, which is insane. It's just crazy. I love to see it because they have worked very hard for this product. There's a lot of cool things going on with Holochain. The hype is real and it's a very good exchange as Binance, so it's a liquidity is good and all that stuff. So, but it has pumped a lot, like a lot. So there's a bit. I think that there's a higher possibility that it will dip here somewhere here and test a new. Because you think about it, I think that it's good for the growth because if it now, for example, dips here on like 2 cents. That means that it's rounding up support for that level. But if it just goes up and up and up and up and never test the support level, then the crash is going to be huge. So I think it would be better just if we just created some kind of support level here. Of course, I'm not like any kind of like expert. I'm just saying what I have learned during these years, and I do believe that the steady growth is better than like the hyper growth. But of course, these hyper growth periods will help tremendously. But I think that there has to be some kind of like balance. That's always the best. But who knows what it could go? It just could shoot up to, 10 cents. But who knows? But now the sell-off, like a little bit of sell-off started. People started taking profits. Like I said in the yesterday's video. Everything I covered yesterday, I said that. Remember that people will start taking profits at some point, because think about it, there is not Illuminati, nobody is playing against you. Well, basically everybody is playing against you because it's market. Everybody is not here to make money. If somebody is going to make money, remember this, just guys, remember this, if somebody makes money, somebody loses money. Okay, a lot of people don't like to hear that, and a lot of people don't even know and think about that, but if somebody makes money, somebody has to pay for that. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if you're in a room and you don't know who the sucker is, man, you are the sucker. Okay, so always keep that in mind. I know it's very hard when things are up 100% and there's huge social pressure that we are going to go to the moon, let's go guys, woo! Because think about it, if you bought, for example, here, and now new guys, for example, bought here, they want it to 2x here, but you already have like insane gains, and now these people say, no, don't sell, nobody sell, we are going to the moon, okay? And then people, when it gets here, and you bought here, and you're buying for wanting to go one more leg up, but people who bought here, they have already several leg ups here, so they are in massive profit. So at some point somebody will start to sell, and when that happens, like I said in the beginning of this video, the potential energy that is set up here will release the kinetic energy, which will be a massive drop. Okay, and it can be very crazy drop, because cryptocurrencies are very volatile. So if you, for example, think about Bitcoin starts dumping right now, and people are very much Holochain, they have a huge gains on Holochain. People start quickly dumping their bags, and when and everything is dumping, no one is buying. Okay, because there's this mass hysteria, like people are going crazy over it. So I think that's very important to keep in mind when we have at these kind of gain levels. Okay, but that's just something that I'm not saying that we're going to go down, everything is going to burn and cryptocurrencies are dead. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I want to create. I think that there's enough hype. I'm just saying that I think that there's enough. I'm not bearish. I want to be realistic. I created this channel to be as realistic as possible. And please correct me and share your insights, because I would love to know what you think about this. For example, this hypothesis. I'm not saying that I'm not seeing the future. I'm just saying that what I think about this. That there's this possibility. So anyway, if you found value in this video, subscribe for daily videos. Also, like this video, smash that like, guys, thank you so much, and check out the free newsletter, first link in the description. And there are my White Rock crypto portfolio, you can check it out in my portfolio in the description. And then there's also portfolio secrets. That's very cool, that's very good, so definitely check that out. Also a link in the description. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Okay.